Welcome back to Math is Easy, step by step. In this part 112 video, we have test sample question number 7. Let's get right on into it. Do it. A glass jar has 5 blue coins, 4 red coins, 3 green coins, 2 purple coins. What fraction of coins are blue and red and green? So blue and red and green. Again, and typically represents addition, right? Or combination together, which again would represent addition. So you can see I have an is up here. This is should have been are, right? Because it's plural. There's more than one type of colored coins. So we all make mistakes. Mistakes are the golden road to knowledge. Never be afraid to make a mistake. All right, so you have option A, 12/14. Option B, 1/2. Option C, 3/7. Option D, 6/7. Take a look at options A, B, C, and D. Do you see anything wrong with any of these answer options? Well, yeah, there's a problem with option A, right? Eliminate option A. It cannot be option A, 12/14. Why? Well, because that option of an answer is not reduced. Every one of your answers always should be reduced, right? So even number on top, even number on bottom, I can divide the smallest even number. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Why? Because 2 times 6 equals 12. 14 divided by 2 is 7. Why? Because 2 times 7 equals 14, right? So the reduced fraction should have been 6/7. So that leaves you options B, C, and D. Again, when creating your fractions, it's helpful to visualize your fraction, right? The top, the numerator, is your parts. The denominator, the bottom of your fraction, are your whole or the total possible value. Right, for this question, what we're doing is we're going to put our parts over our whole, right? So blue coins, there are 5 blue coins. There are 4 red coins, 3 green coins. And then if you add all of the total possible coins, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14. That's the whole. That's the denominator value, right? That's the total. So we're going to have 5 over 14 plus 4 over 14 plus 3 over 14 in order to get our answer. All right, so as you can see here, we have 5 out of 14 blue coins plus 4 red out of 14 total coins plus 3 green coins out of a total of 14. So the denominators are the same. We can now add the top. And the denominator stays the same throughout the problem. 5 plus 4 is 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 blue, red, and green coins out of 14 total coins. Now, you know I'm going to ask you this question, 12 over 14. You know I'm going to ask you, can you simplify 12 over 14? Well, again, you know I was going to ask you, can you reduce this fraction, 12/14? Well, I got an even number 12 on top. I've got an even number 14 on bottom. What number can I divide evenly into top and bottom? All right, if you said I can divide 2 into top and bottom evenly, you are absolutely correct. Right on, right on, right on. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Why? Because 2 times 6 equals 12. 14 divided by 2 is 7. Why? 2 times 7 equals 14. So our reduced answer is 6/7. Okay, so the answer for this problem is D, 6/7. So what does that mean? That means 6 out of every 7 coins will be either blue, red, or green. 6/7. Math is easy. Take it step by step. Thank you for joining me. If I've helped you, please help me to help others. Like, follow, share, and subscribe.